Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just thought I would record today because I am in my aunt's apartment in New York City. If you've seen my other New York City vlogs, you know I come here pretty often. She's never here, so I get to stay in her apartment in Chelsea all the time. I came without my husband. I just dropped him off at the airport. He's going to England, so I'm just here with my dog, Corn Pop, who has never been to New York City. So I decided to bring you guys along and show you what a few days in New York looks like by myself. I'm just gonna make him dinner right now. Hopefully he eats. And then I'm gonna go pick up pizza at the corner pizza shop. It's my favorite pizza shop in the city. Maybe because it's so close to me, but I love it so much. And then we're gonna just see where the night takes us. So I went to the Magnolia Bakery at a Union train hall near me, and their baked goods are so good. I really love their banana cream pie, or not banana cream pie, their banana cream like dessert. It's so good. And then I went to go get some pizza at the pizzeria that's right by my house, and I just watched some of Casa de Papel. I forget what it's called in English, but that show is so good if you haven't watched it. But yeah, I just had a chill night, and it was so nice. Princess? Hey everyone, so I'm back in my apartment. Oh my god, I look like a mess. But I'm just watching Casa de Papel. What's it called in English? I do not remember what it's called in English. The Spanish show about the robberies. Anyway, so I just had my pizza and it was so good, and I'm just gonna have some banana pudding now from Magnolia Bakery. If you're in New York, you have to try this. It's so good. I actually learned how to make it, but nothing beats buying it because then you don't have to make it. But let's eat it. So it looks kind of gross, but it's so good. That show is so loud. And then I also got this other little like snack. It's like some kind of blondie, coconut blondie thing. And I'm just gonna have a bit of this and a bit of this with some milk, and it's gonna be amazing. Hey everyone, good morning. It's another day in New York City. It is the morning after yesterday, obviously. It's about 10:31 a.m. and I'm starting my day. I woke up around 9:30 and Corn Pop and I went for a little walk. We just walked to a nearby Walgreens. I needed to buy some water. And he loved the smells. He loves New York City. So that was really a nice walk. It's beautiful out today, and I just can't wait to go out later today. But I'm just back at my apartment right now to do some work. I have an interview. I'm interviewing a person later for a role, and then I have a few meetings. And then after that, I think I'm gonna go run some errands. I need to go to a Sephora, and then I need to go to a shoe store. So I'm just gonna do that and take Corn Pop with me. Corn Pop is loving it here. But yeah, I just love New York so much. I love the energy. I just love how people are always going somewhere and you don't know who anyone is, and there's just like so many people. I just love all the noises, and as someone with ADHD, like I want to look at everything, and New York City gives me so many things to look at, and that's why I love it. I'm gonna try to get ready later because I look pretty, I don't know what the word is, but it's not good. So I'm gonna get ready later today and then head out. But for now, I'm just gonna work and chill here. So I'm just making tea right now at my apartment, and I'm gonna do my nails while I'm on call. And my aunt has pictures of us. Look, it's me and my dad at a recent family gathering. My hands are so shaky, I'm sorry. And then here's my entire family minus Jake at our house, the first time we hosted our family over. And then my sister and my Aunt Rebecca. Aunt Rebecca is the one that owns this apartment. This is so cute. Anyway, yeah, just gonna have some tea, and then again, gonna do my nails really quickly and then have an interview. Oh my god, I already got something on this shirt. It's not my shirt, it's my aunt's shirt. Sorry, Rebecca, I'm borrowing your shirt. But yeah, Corn Pop is being so good. Usually we have to like force feed him because he does not eat. But today he's eating good. He's like, they're gonna take me over to New York. We're gonna go on an adventure. Gotta eat my food, gotta have my nutrients. Why did I put this tea bag in? It's not hot enough yet. Anyway, bye. Hi everyone, so I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna go to Hudson Yards. Hudson Yards is definitely one of my favorite shopping places here in New York City. I know everyone says to go to Soho, but I hate Soho. It's so busy, the lines are freaking insane. Like, you see a line in Zara and you're just not gonna get in it because it's like 100 people long. Hudson Yards is right by me. It's so close and it has everything I need. I'm just wearing these Levi's jeans, Fila sneakers, and then this other stories, a sweater, and then a bunch of Ana Luisa jewelry. And Corn Pop's coming and he's so excited. So excited. Anyway, let's go. So the Zara in Hudson Yards is super pretty and organized. Definitely go to this one instead of Soho because this one is not that busy. The Hudson Yards is decorated super pretty during Christmas time. I loved all the little lighting and the decorations. As you can see here, you can see the vessel and there's a hot air balloon. Yeah, super cute. I definitely came here a few times during my visit. They have an Aritzia there too, a Zara, H&M, Sephora, Uniqlo, and then some higher end brands as well. Hey everyone, so I'm back from my errands and I'm just making lunch right now. I'm just making some farfalle pasta and then having it with some bolognese that I brought up from home. Jake makes the most amazing sauce and I love it. But yeah, I can't find our strainer, so I'm just gonna have to wing this one. But yeah, I'm just working and gonna eat and then see where the day takes me. So after chilling for a bit, I decided to take a bath and use one of my favorite face masks, the peeling solution from Dr. Jart. I freaking love it, so definitely go look for it. I use some bath salts as well. I typically use like bubble bath, but this didn't work actually as well as I would have wanted it to, but the idea of it was nice. You know, I like the vibe. Hello squad. So it is, what day is it? 2, 3, I don't know, but it is Wednesday and I'm just gonna go run out some errands. I was just working this morning. I woke up with such bad allergies, like my face was puffy. It was not great, but yeah, just getting ready to go out. I'm wearing these trousers from Rent the Runway. They're so cute and form-fitting and cute and I love it. And then this long sleeve white sweetheart neckline top from Abercrombie. The scarf is cashmere, don't know where, and this is the Aritzia something coat. Aritzia Wilfred cocoon coat. And these are from like I Buy Direct or something. And then Corn Pop's coming with me. So Corn Pop and I went on a really nice walk. We walked past Madison Square Garden. We went into the Monument Hall, Train Hall. It's dog friendly and they are building a lot of restaurants there. It's super cute. And here's a video of Corn Pop staring at me creepily. We love it. That night, my dad and my brother flew in and we went looking for dinner. This was the one we almost ate at, but we ended up going to this Italian place called Don Giovanni's in Chelsea, and my brother loved it. So definitely check that out if you're in the area. We ended up going back to Hudson Yards because my brother is a fashion star and he was looking for a beanie. And then we went to the Hudson Yards metro station. They have a really pretty mural there.
No, we can. I just don't think.
Went to the High Line.
I just don't think we have to. Everything else is open to dogs.
We carried him and we walked the whole High Line anyway. If you haven't been on the High Line, it's really pretty. There's a lot of art. It's beautiful. I would definitely go on a weekday because it gets so busy on the weekends. Look at my brother going. Hello, it is another day in New York City and I'm here with my dad and my brother. And we're on the High Line right now. We're gonna go to eat and then do some thrift shopping. We were at Hudson Yards earlier and it was really nice. And that's my dad with the peace sign. Yeah. So Corn Pop wasn't allowed on the little island, so I waited for my dad and my brother because I've been there before. You should definitely check it out if you're walking or want to go on a nice walk. It's super pretty. Check.
Good check.
Where's the fit from?
Your mom.
What are you wearing?
Jacket.
From where?
H&M.
Yeah. Top?
A shirt from the flea market.
Okay.
And pants from the flea market.
Pants for the flea market?
Yeah, and fake dogs.
And fake dogs. Dad?
Just kidding, they're real.
Fit check.
Leave.
So we saw a lot of different things that day, but on the way back we saw Starbucks Roasters, like a huge Starbucks, and my dad's obsessed with Starbucks. So we went in and he saw everything and he was so excited. It was actually his birthday today. Yes.
You know this?
Yeah, of course.
Amazing.
Who doesn't?
I don't know.
The food was super delicious and interesting. Like, I saw some vegetables I've never seen before. And then we got dessert, and I got way too many desserts. This is a creme brulee donut. This place was dang. I went thrift shopping that night. My dad and my brother left, and I went to some really cool shops. There was a few that Corn Pop wasn't allowed in, but he was allowed into the Goodwill, and then this one as well. I really love walking around New York City at night. It just feels like there's so much energy, and there's so many beautifully decorated places right now. Hey squad, it's another day in the city. It is Monday, I think the 21st, and I'm actually staying in New York City longer than I thought. I thought I would be going to England tomorrow, but because of Omicron, I'm not going because it's getting a lot worse in the UK. So here's Corn Pop and I. We've just been chilling, but I'm gonna stay here a few more days and just chill because I'm not working this week. But I'll just show you what I'm wearing. We're gonna go out. So I actually just thrifted this little sweater. It looks kind of like, there we go, that's the right coloring. From Adrian Vitadini from a Goodwill yesterday. It's made of wool and it's so warm. These are the same Levi's I've been wearing this past week and my Filas. And then I'm just gonna be wearing my Aritzia coat. I'm gonna clean this because y'all will be judging me. And then I'm carrying a monocle bag with my dog stuff in it. But yeah, we're just gonna head out. We're going to a dog park. Just gonna let Corn Pop run around a little bit. And then yeah, just gonna go on a walk. Okay, so I came out to the water, to the dog park in Chelsea, and it's under renovation. So Corn Pop and I are just gonna walk near the water on like the little boardwalk, and we're gonna walk to the West Village dog park. So it's gonna be another 16-minute walk, which I think will be good for us because I have nothing else to do today, and why not? But yeah, that's what's up now. Hello squad. So I'm just back at my apartment. Corn Pop's chilling. He had a nice walk. And I am just working on some YouTube stuff. And then just ordered lunch from a Mexican place near me called Taco Bandito. So it's a ton of food, grilled chicken, rice, beans, just tons of stuff, and then fresh flour tortillas. I'm so excited. And I'm watching Sex and the City, which I really love, or not Sex and the City, and Just Like That, which is the Sex and the City like reboot, I guess. Anyway, so I'm gonna watch that and just chill and eat. Good morning, everyone. It's another day in New York City, and I am back with another day. So this vlog has basically turned into like me pretending I live in New York City for 2 weeks because I'm not going to England anymore. I think I mentioned yesterday. So I decided to stay here instead of go back down to DC. So today is just another day, and I'm like, it's like every day is now turning into like, I don't have anything to do. Like, I don't have work right now. They gave us like 2 weeks before the new year off, and I'm like, what do I do? I guess like this is what living in DC, in New York is like. So I'm actually gonna tidy the apartment because it's a disaster right now. And so I'm gonna tidy the apartment, and then I have to go to Sephora. And then I'm gonna take Corn Pop on to the dog park, and then we'll see where the day takes us from there, because that's all I have planned today. So yeah. Hello friends, it's me. So yeah, I'm just heading out for the day. I'm going down to like the West Village. I'm gonna go to Glossier and then the Ordinary, and yeah. So I'm just wearing my Aritzia coat, this Adrian Vitadini wool sweater, REI underwear, and then these 2013, I think it's called 2013 brand trousers. They're super cute. And then my Filas, because they're so comfy. But yeah, I just actually tried to leave the house earlier, and then Corn Pop just would not go any further, so I brought him home and fed him, and I'm gonna leave him here. So yeah. So I really love walking around New York City. It's such a walkable city and there's so many things to look at. This was just a few blocks away from the apartment and the buildings are so pretty. I can't imagine what this vine would look like in the summer. I'm definitely going to come back in the summer and look at what that looks like. I love how these vines are on these buildings. They get so creative decoration in the city. Things can be so bland sometimes, but I love seeing things like that. This was one of my last days in the city and I just spent it walking around. I wanted to go shopping and I went thrift shopping. I ended up finding some trousers at the Salvation Army for 99 cents that fit perfectly. And I ended up, looking at some furniture at a Housing Works thrift shop. They have some really amazing stuff here, including furniture and clothes. And then I went to Xi'an Famous Foods for dinner. It was super delicious and yeah. I love sitting at windows while I eat, so definitely recommend that. After that, I went thrift shopping. I went to Screaming Minis Vintage, which is one of my favorite thrift shops. They have some really amazing period pieces, and then some also just really amazing general things. And the staff there is so nice and cool and hip, and I feel so uncool when I'm there. I also came here during my thrift store tour. I'll tag that down below, but I did a thrift store tour of New York City. And you should check that out if you're interested in thrifting in New York. Afterwards, I went to the Beacons Closet. I really love the Beacons Closet. I've always found amazing things here, and again, I found amazing things here. I found some lined gloves with fur or something, and they were so cozy and they fit me perfectly. I have really small hands. But they have so many things here, from jewelry and home things to tons of clothes. You will find whatever you're looking for here. I almost had a good find in these white jeans and a brown sweater, but both were a little too big and the white jeans fit just a little bit funny, which was a huge bummer, but it's fine. And then I went to a Goodwill, and you can see me wearing my new gloves there. Goodwills are always fun to check out, but I actually didn't spend that much time here just because it was a little busy and I wanted to Hello get
squad.
out. So I'm home after a long day. We walked around town, as you'll see in some clips here, but it was really fun, and I've just ordered dinner from this place called Don Giovanni's. I ate there a few days ago and it was super good. So I ordered a chicken parmesan and some garlic bread. It comes with like ziti. Yeah, so exciting, so delicious. I was just watching the documentary about Euromaidan, which was like the big revolution in Ukraine a few years ago, in 2013. And now I'm watching a documentary about a cruise in, I forget where, but the coronavirus cruise, like the first big outbreak that was on that cruise. So I'm just watching that. I'm gonna eat my dinner, and yeah. Everyone, good morning. Another day in New York City. Today I just woke up kind of late. I'm actually gonna do my laundry, and I'm sending out some coats and cashmere for dry cleaning. It's getting picked up. I've never done that before. I feel like really New York right now. Like someone's gonna come and pick up my laundry and it's gonna come back clean. Wow. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm watching like Ruby Lynn's vlogs right now. She's in Paris, or she was in Paris, and I'm super jealous because I was supposed to be in Paris in a few weeks, and it's sad, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna tidy the apartment, and then I'm going to the Hudson Yards Mall because I have to return something at Sephora and pick some more things up. And that's kind of all for today. So we'll see where the day takes me. I'm sure I'll end up doing a lot more. I kind of want to go to the Upper East Side and see if there's any thrift stores there, but I'm gonna see. Anyway, corn pop. We're going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure. Y'all, this is what I do on my spring break. I look at polls. Hello everyone, it's a new day and I received my dry cleaning, which is super exciting. And they sent me like a bag to send more dry cleaning, but I'm actually not from here. So everything looks great. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Amazing. Hey everyone, I'm just finishing editing and this vlog had a really abrupt ending. I ended up choosing to go home the next day really randomly, and I'm now back in DC. But it was so much fun to be in New York by myself and pretend I lived there and pretend like this was my life. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you stay tuned for more.